Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese naan at home. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Next, add 1/4 cup of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of oil, and a half cup of warm water. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead for about 6 minutes until it is smooth and pliable. Cover and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Once your dough has rested, divide it into 6 to 8 equal pieces. Take one piece and flatten it slightly with your palm. Place about 2 tablespoons of your favorite shredded cheese, like mozzarella or cheddar, in the center. Carefully bring the edges of the dough together to seal the cheese inside, forming a ball. Gently roll each ball into a flat, round naan, about 6 inches in diameter. Now it's time to cook your delicious cheese naan. Heat a cast iron skillet or a heavy-bottomed non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Place one naan onto the hot pan and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until you see bubbles forming on the surface. Flip it over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until it's golden brown and cooked through. Repeat with the remaining naan. Your homemade cheese naan is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm, fresh off the pan, alongside your favorite Indian curry, a cooling raita, or simply as a delicious snack on its own. It's incredibly versatile and always a crowd pleaser. For more great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, make sure to click the links in the description below. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container for up to 2 days, but honestly, they rarely last that long.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.